Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we have futuristic choices for you. Would you rather build your futuristic fantasy house with amazing fun choices? But before we get started, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's dive in. Your first choice. Pick the place you'll call home. Option 1, 2, or 3. Now, imagine you're standing in front of 3 doors. Which one are you opening? Time to choose your living room vibe. What is your choice? Pick one. Now, let's head to the library. Which one feels like the perfect reading space for you? How about these sofas? Comfy, colorful, and perfect for your reading corner. Which one are you picking? Next up, the pool. Would you choose the Stitch theme, the Minion style, or go with the Minecraft one? Let's move on. Which staircase feels like it belongs in your dream house? Choose now. Take a deep breath. It's time for the jacuzzi. Which one are you diving into without hesitation? Okay, this one's a little silly, but it matters. Pick your favorite toilet design. Choose one and let the others go. Quick challenge. Comment your nickname, your birthday, and your favorite food. We want to know more about our lovely viewers. Now let's relax. Which lounger are you picking for your sunny afternoons? Next up, if bathrooms had personalities, which one matches yours? Time for something cozy. Pick the coffee maker that fits your vibe best. Now, meet your new best friend. Which one of these adorable buddies would you bring home? Which house do you think your new furry roommate would love the most? Challenge for Stitch fans. Can you spot the odd Stitch out in less than 10 seconds? Time's up. Here it is. Did you get it? Your future office is waiting. Which building gives off the right vibe? Option 1, 2, 3. Time to upgrade your kitchen. Which one is calling your name? Now choose your dining room. Big, bold, or full of color. Let's pick your meal. Which one you want to eat right now? Let's go outside. Which backyard setup captures your heart? Dive into fun. Which water park do you pick for ultimate fun splash? Now choose your dream playground. Option 1, 2, or 3. Which one you take? Pick your mission. Like this video, comment your favorite color, and hit the subscribe for more fun quizzes. Pick your favorite earbuds. Which ones do you like best? Let's pick some luxury. Which private helicopter you want in your dream world? TV time. Which TV you want in your living room? Let's head back outside. Which villa pool is your favorite? Now think about your dream bed. How would you design it? We've got tiny kittens ready to cuddle. Which one is stealing your heart? Pick the cat tree that would fit best in your pet's dream corner. It's time to dive into fun. Which inflatable pool you want in your backyard? Let's test your memory. Remember the position of every emoji. Where is sushi emoji is hiding? Sushi is hiding under number 2. Time to pick your gaming room. Which one suits your style best? Pick your ultimate villa. Which luxurious villa you want? Pick your favorite city to live in. Santorini, Paris, or Egypt. Where you want to live. Now choose your car. Speedy, stylish, or completely unique. Which handbag fits your style? First, second, or third? Let's pick your mailbox. Yoshi mailbox, Mickey Mouse mailbox, or the Sonic mailbox. Now pick your dream bicycle. Which one's the winner? Let's pick your rug. Which one gives your feet a cozy vibe? Pick one. What about your dream garden? Which one gives you ultimate relaxation vibes? Time to go on work. Which workplace you want for focused work sessions? Up next, which phone charger would you actually use? Go ahead and pick one. Time for music. Which piano is getting your vote? Let's pick your gazebo. Which one you want in your backyard? Let's talk about views. Choose your favorite window view. Almost done. Which phone case are you picking for your dream phone? Every home needs this. Which sink you want in your bathroom? Pick one. Time to swing on air. Which swing chair gives you ultimate relaxation? Now for something soft. Which pillow are you keeping on your bed? Pick a balcony that fits your perfect morning vibe. Now let's pick your backpack. Which one you take school with you? Feeling hungry? Time to cook something. Which oven you want in your kitchen? Final choice? One last home touch. What do you think of this adorable star night lamp? But hey, why stop now? Your next adventure is just a click away. Tap on the next video on your screen and let's keep the fun going. See you there!